The power of silence in Stoic philosophy. In a world overflowing with noise, silence can feel unfamiliar, almost uncomfortable. Yet in Stoic philosophy, silence is not emptiness. It is strength, discipline, and clarity. According to thinkers like Marcus Aurelius, silence is a form of self-mastery. He taught that our attention is one of our most valuable resources. When we become silent, we reclaim control over our thoughts instead of letting the world distract us. Silence is not about withdrawing from life or avoiding challenges. It is about creating space to think, to reflect, and to respond with wisdom instead of impulse. The Stoics believe that a mind crowded with noise cannot see reality clearly, but a silent mind can. Epictetus taught that we should first learn the meaning of what you say and then speak. This is the Stoic foundation of intentional speech. Words should be purposeful, calm, and aligned with virtue. Silence gives us the time to choose those words wisely. When we practice silence, we train ourselves to listen, truly listen, not just to others, but to our own inner reasoning. Seneca believed that silence sharpens moral judgment. It allows us to separate what we can control from what we cannot. Silence also protects our peace. Not every conflict deserves a reaction. Not every insult requires a defense. The Stoics recognize that silence can be the highest form of strength because it shows mastery over the emotions that often control us. So what can we learn from this ancient wisdom? That silence is not passive, it is an active practice, a weapon against distraction, a tool for clarity, a gateway to inner calm. In a noisy world, silence becomes revolutionary, and the Stoics understood its